This is at the peak of its tallest mountain, Mount Stanley, which stands at about 5,100 meters tall. This area is actually permanently snow-capped and sees temperatures that can go as low as minus 15 degrees Celsius. Number 81. Botswana has one of the fastest growing economies on Earth. Roughly half of its entire economy size comes from diamond mining, to which it is the 7th largest exporter in the world. Number 82. The Gini coefficient is an index that ranks the countries of the world by wealth inequality. The higher you score, the worse it is. In this index, South Africa ranks first with a score of 63, Namibia ranks second with 59.1, and then Colombia with 54.8. Number 83. So Antarctica is known for its inhospitable conditions. For the majority of the year, it's incredibly cold and windy. But what is the highest recorded temperature ever recorded there? Well, in January 1982, it saw a very pleasant 19.8 degrees Celsius. That is almost certainly t-shirt and shorts weather. Number 84. There is a term known as the Caspian Sea Littoral States, which is basically a group of 5 countries who all have coastline along the Caspian. They are Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, and Azerbaijan. Number 85. More people live in the metro region of Delhi, India than what live in the entire Nordic region. A region which consists of 5 countries and covers an area of around 3.5 million kilometers squared. That is if we include Greenland, of course. Number 86. The Sakha Republic is the largest subdivision of any country on Earth. It covers an area of around 3 million kilometers squared. That's larger than Argentina, the world's 8th largest country. Number 87. Around 80 million people around the world have Irish ancestry. That's just over 11 times the actual population of Ireland today, and that's both for the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. Of that 80 million, about 32 million live in the US alone. Number 88. Mongolia is roughly 10 times larger than Bangladesh, but Bangladesh has a population some 49 times greater. And this number will only get bigger as time goes by, as Bangladesh is growing much faster than Mongolia. Number 89. Lake Victoria in Africa is a very important body of water. Not only is it the largest lake on the continent, but it's also the largest tropical lake on Earth and the 2nd largest freshwater lake in the world. Number 90. So most countries have an official language. Some actually have none, some have 2, or maybe even 3. Bolivia, however, has 37. Yes, you heard that right, 37. Spanish is of course the most widely spoken, with around 70% of the population speaking it. Number 91. Antigua's 2nd highest income stream is its citizenship by investment program. This, as the name suggests, is a way to get citizenship by investing in businesses or real estate in the country. Another way to get citizenship in the country is by donating $100,000 into its National Development Fund. Number 92. The Indian state of Uttar Pradesh has a population of around 257 million. That's a higher population than Russia, South Korea, and Argentina combined. Number 93. There is a domestic flight that spans 6,700 kilometers without crossing a single other country. Unsurprisingly, this flight is in Russia, travelling from Petropavlovsk in the far east all the way to Moscow in the west.